welcome to my channel. This is Functional Art by Tracy, and I'm Tracy. Today is resin day, tray and resin day. So I wanted to do a quick little sort of unboxing. I have already taken this out and charged it, but I received the new auto electric epoxy mixer from Let's Resin. Y'all, if this thing works the way it should, this is going to be a game changer. It comes with a cord, so I've already charged it, and it comes with several, I guess, disposable mixing cups. So you can just pour your resin in these cups, measure it, stick the lid on, hit the button, and it automatically stops, I think after 60 seconds. And once it stops, that's it. Your resin is mixed. Unfortunately, I am out of my Let's Resin resin, so I've ordered some, but today I'm going to be using my next favorite, which is art resin. So I'm hoping that blending these two brands together, I'll still get a good result, because I'm going to be doing a very simple tray. I say simple, hopefully it turns out. What I mean by simple is I'm really just using two colors, like a pearl, and then I've got several different pigments of gold that I'm going to do. So, and I'm not going to prime the bottom of my tray, because I'm hoping with kind of just using pigments that some of the wood grain will show through and it'll be a little bit of transparency. So what I'm going to do is mix up my resin and see if this thing is the magic that I'm hoping it's going to be. And then I'll pour what's in this cup into different smaller cups, mix in my pigments, and then pour on the tray. The reason I'm saying all this now is because I'm going to be quiet and put you guys to some music, because I'm going to be concentrating on my measurements, because that's the key with resin when it's a 1-to-1, or with any resin, whether it's a 2-to-1 or a 1-to-1, of making sure that you get your measurements precise. The next cool thing about this, once you've poured the resin out of this cup, all you do, and it's empty, you click that button again, and as it spins, it's supposed to be able to clean these blades. So very minimal cleanup. I will definitely have this thing linked in my description box. It'll be in my Amazon store. I don't remember. I know it was in the 30s. I know it was not over, $40, but I think it was over 20. So I want to say it was either 36, 39 bucks. But again, if it works the way it's claiming to, it's going to be such a time saver. All right, so I think that's it. I'll list, I'm not sure which pigments and colors I'm going to go with yet, so that's why I don't have it listed, or I'm not saying it now. And I do have some little glitters that I may or may not add. I don't know. I think that's it. I'm going to put you guys to some music, and let's watch this baby go to work in action, and we'll pour a tray. So, and I'll check back in with you at the end and give you my honest thoughts on this little gadget.
I never thought in the wildest dream I'd see you again. Never dreamed about nothing else other than you. I always thought I'd be waiting in vain, but suddenly there you were. Never thought it'd be easy to feel you in my arms, but now we're here and I'm all in, and I wonder about you, 'cause I can stay till the morning, or stay till the dawn, but just hold me now. I wanna be so much better whenever you're around. I wanna say something clever to get in your mind, 'cause right now we're not together, and I lose my way then. Oh, I feel so much the things I have done, for the things I never did. But I promise, dear, I'll never let you go. So don't let go, get close to me. Oh, don't let go, get close to me. My body's waiting for you. I know your body's been waiting too. I wanna be so much better whenever you're around. I wanna say something clever to get in your mind. 'Cause right now we're not together, and I lose my way then. Oh, I feel so much better whenever you're around, whenever you're around. Yeah, yeah, whenever you're around, whenever you're around, whenever you're around, yeah, whenever you're around.
Where is the line between dreaming and feeling blue? It's 4 o'clock in the evening. I haven't left my room, but the truth is, if I'm honest, I feel stuck here in the middle. Am I one of those crazy people? Should I stay here or should I let go? Pull the sheets over my head, hoping change is gonna find me. You don't have to remind me I'm doing nothing at all. I'm ruminating on a blank wall, but I feel stuck here in the middle. Am I one of those crazy people? Should I stay here or should I let go? Can you tell me what I need? Can you tell me what you see in me? Can you tell me what I need? Can you tell me what you see in me? I just feel stuck here in the middle. Am I one of those crazy people? Should I stay here or should I let go?
So my thoughts on this, I absolutely love it. I did hit the button twice, only because again, I wasn't using the Let's Resin, so I wasn't sure if mixing it just one round was going to be enough for the art resin. So I did do it twice. After twice, I didn't look at it after the first round, so it could have been fine with that. I'll do another review once I get my Let's Resin in. But after the second round and I took the top off, it looked just like it normally does when I sit and hand stir it for, I always stir mine from like 4 to 5 minutes because I just like to be extra cautious. But look at this, cleaning it, there are no drips or anything. So that really worked out beautifully. Last little thing, I just wanted to show you guys just how I sometimes clean my tools when dealing with resin. I have 99% isopropyl alcohol, and I just keep, I don't want to get too close to my stuff, but I just take my alcohol and I spray my spatulas like over the cup that I mixed it in, and then I just take a paper towel and wipe it all off. And it is good as new. Sometimes I use, a baby wipe instead of a paper towel. But yeah, I've just found that that's the easiest way for me. I know a lot of people wait till it's dry and then peel it off, but I don't know. I just like going ahead and getting everything cleaned up. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. I know this was a little different, than a pour video, but like I said, any tool or tricks of the trades that can help any of us, I want to share them with you guys. So, like I said, I'll show you dry results. The Let's Resin mixer will be in my description box, in my Amazon descriptions or storefront, sorry. And everything else that I use is all listed in there. So feel free to click on that. I am an affiliate of Amazon, so any purchase you make through using my link, I get a very teeny tiny small percentage of that, but it's no extra cost to you, and you're buying something that's going to be helpful to you, and in turn it's helping to support my channel. So it's a win-win all the way around. But I love you guys so much. Thank you again so much for being here, and as always, until next time, bye.
I never thought in the wildest dream I'd see you again. Never dreamed about nothing else other than you. I always thought I'd be waiting in vain, but suddenly there you were. Never thought it'd be easy to feel you in my arms, but now we're here and I'm all in, and I wonder about you, 'cause I can stay till the morning or stay till the dawn.